Hi, I'm Grace Webb and I'm an automotive journalist and car enthusiast, and today I'm excited to explore the Toyota bZ4X, Toyota's first all-electric passenger car. It comes in three grades: the top grade, Vision, which we're looking at today, the mid-level, Motion grade, and entry-level, Pure. Across all grades, not only is this a stylish car, but it's practical and comfortable too, making it the perfect choice for families on the go. Now, taking a step inside this Vision grade bZ4X, I just love the roomy and comfortable interior. The 5-seat cabin is really generous and provides a wealth of premium features too, ensuring every passenger enjoys a comfortable journey. Immediately, I'm drawn to how open it feels. There's lots of light throughout the entire front cabin, which provides excellent visibility. You're also in for a treat because on the Motion grade and up, you get this huge 12.3-inch multimedia display. It comes with Toyota Touch 2 and Go navigation, the very latest and most advanced multimedia system from Toyota. That means you've got control at your fingertips. And that's not all. Thanks to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you can customise your journey. Sticking with the front cabin, the dashboard is much more compact on the bZ4X, which, if you're a passenger in here, you'll love the extra space and legroom that you get as a result. And space seems to be a big theme in this car. What I really like about the Toyota bZ4X is that it's a great family car, and for the little ones you can easily manoeuvre and fit a child seat. The extra room actually makes it less stressful getting your children in and out too. I know I've talked about space a lot, but the Toyota bZ4X really is built for busy life. Opening the boot, there's a huge 452 litres of space in here. That's plenty of storage for a family day out. You could easily fit in a kid's buggy, a few suitcases, loads of room for camping gear, or you could even bring along your four-legged friend. There's also no ledge in the way, which makes for easy packing and unloading too. Now, if charging is completely new to you, don't worry. The charging process is really easy. You simply connect the charge cable to the vehicle and charging will begin. You can do that easily from a public charger or at home. At home, you've got two choices when it comes to charging. You can use a standard 3-pin plug or a dedicated wall box. And your bZ4X comes with everything you need to charge. The wall box offers more efficient charging than the 3-pin option. So it's great if you're working from home or charging overnight, just like you would with your phone. The time to charge is a big question on many owners' lips, but Toyota can give you a helping hand with that. They've developed a really useful charging time calculator, which can be found on their website. Just check out the link on screen now. Now, if you're interested in a home wall box, the good news is that Toyota have teamed up with British Gas to make installation as quick and easy as possible. Contact your local centre to find out more. Charging at home isn't an option for everyone, and with charging points spread across the nation, finding one is easier than ever. You can locate your nearest charging point using Zap Map. But it doesn't stop there. You can also subscribe to the Toyota Charging Network. This service gives you a simple way to charge at thousands of charge points across the UK without having to set up alternative payment methods or download multiple apps, making your move to electric really easy. This subscription works with your My Toyota app, so you can manage all of your electric vehicle information in one place, such as costs and invoices for public charging. If you haven't downloaded the My Toyota app, head over to App Store or Play Store on your phone and download it for free. When charging on the go, there are two types of charger to use: an AC fast or DC rapid charger. With fast charging, you can get a maximum charge in as little as 6.5 hours, so it's a great option if you're at work or shopping for the day. Rapid charging can provide up to 80% charge in around half an hour, enough time to grab a quick coffee. This brings me on to my next topic: range. From the time it takes to charge to the distance we get as a result, range is something we're all curious about. And thankfully, Toyota has created a simple tool to help you stay in the know. They've developed a range calculator, which is available on their website. Just visit the link below on screen to check it out. The Toyota bZ4X has a host of features that I love, and it's really smooth and quiet to drive. Its single gear system means it's a pretty easy drive and you can fully concentrate on the road ahead. Thanks to the low centre of gravity, the car grips the road nicely around corners. And because it's so smooth and quiet to drive, your little snoozers in the back won't get disturbed. The great thing about the Toyota bZ4X is that it's been designed for all journeys, so you'll definitely want to take it out of the city, whatever the weather. X mode provides us with different options to choose the type of terrain we'll be crossing. It's so clever that it automatically detects and controls the power level needed for both the front and rear wheel axis. So wherever the road ahead takes you, the Toyota bZ4X can handle it all. Toyota's latest technology offers adaptive cruise control, which maintains a steady speed while driving, therefore helping you reduce your energy consumption. We also have the regeneration boost feature, which adds a bit of charge back to your battery. This feature is great because it allows us to regain energy that would be typically lost when braking and converts it into a form that can be either used immediately or stored for later. And last but not least, we have Eco Mode, which is a fantastic option for those who want to go even further between charges. It modulates pedal responses to help you use energy more efficiently. With these onboard features, you'll be able to get the most out of your bZ4X. Toyota takes safety seriously. That's why the bZ4X comes equipped with the latest Toyota Safety Sense system. Essentially, that's a collection of advanced safety features to give you peace of mind when you're on the road with your loved ones. In my view, the pre-collision system is like having a superhero on your side. It scans the road for potential collisions with pedestrians, cyclists and other vehicles and gives you a warning if needed. It also comes with lane departure alert, which keeps you on track and prevents drifting on long drives. Another feature you get included is road sign assist, which monitors useful information ahead, such as the current speed limit or overtaking restrictions. Really handy when you're driving somewhere new or in a busy area. And as those dark evenings draw in, automatic high beam helps to light up more of the road ahead by switching automatically between high and low beam for safer nighttime driving. It doesn't stop there. The bZ4X comes with many more safety features as standard. Toyota Safety Sense is a fantastic companion to have on board and makes driving safer for you and everyone else on the road. Why not book an appointment with your local Toyota centre to find out more about this impressive safety technology? To make things even more convenient, Toyota's connected services let you interact with your Toyota bZ4X via the My Toyota app. You can lock and unlock your car remotely and get reminders if you've left windows open. You can even check your mileage. The My Toyota app also helps you with Find My Car, a feature which comes in handy when you've forgotten where you've parked. You can find out more about My Toyota and connected services at toyota.co.uk. Before I leave you for today, Toyota have many ways for you to use, own and maintain your bZ4X. With tailored agreements and packages suited to your budget, make sure to check with your local Toyota centre about the best options for your needs. And if you found this video useful, give us a like below and don't forget to subscribe for more content directly from me and the team at Toyota. If you have any questions about the bZ4X or any other Toyota products, you can ask them in the comments below or get in touch with your local centre. Thanks for watching.